Hey there YouTube, this is Mayank Tyagi and this is the video lecture series where I solve HackerRank problems. You can check the problem that I have solved till now. I'm gonna put the link for the playlist in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get into solving this grading student problem. So what the problem says is that we have a student received a grade in inclusive range from 0 to 100. So any grade less than 40 is a failing grade. And what is the another condition we have to see? Sam is a professor at the university and likes to round each student's grade according to these rules. So there are rules given. So what first rule says that if the difference between grade and the next multiple of 5 is less than 3, then we have to round the grade to the next multiple of 5. Okay. And if the value of grade is less than 38, then there will be no rounding occurs. So that's the two conditions that we have to keep in mind, and just write the code for this problem. So let's see the input format. What we are going to have in input, the n integer number of student, and then a array of size n, which will contain the grades, and in output for each grade print the rounded grade on the new line. Okay, so this is the input and this is the output that we have to print. 73 rounded to 75, 67 not rounded, and then 40, 38 is rounded to 40, and 33 not rounded because the 33 is less than 38. So let's write the code for this problem. Let me expand this and just go to the function. And okay, so the return type here is list. So let me first declare a list, make the object of a list. So list which is of integer type, let's name it as ls new array list. Okay, the another condition will be that if the uh, grade and the next multiple of 5 have difference less than 3, then we can uh, upgrade the grade to the next multiple of 5. So let's check it then how we can do this. So there is simple way what we can do. Let's take x plus 5 and subtract the remainder of x mod by 5, and if it is less than the if the difference of this and x, sorry, difference is less than 3, then we can move to the next multiple of 5. So let's write that. So what we can do, we can ls we can add into the new list ls dot add. So what we are going to add, we are going to add this multiple because this will be the next multiple of 5, this one. So what is this? This will be x plus 5 minus x mod by 5. So that's the simple logic. And else if this condition is not matched, we just simply have to add the value of x to the list, and then we have to just simply return ls. Now let's try to hit submit and see if it is working or not. So there is some error. uh, oh sorry, this is going to be up, not here. So all the test case has been passed. So let me explain this, that what is happening here. So let's first go here. So the first grade will be 70. First grade is 73. So what we will do, 73, and if we divide sorry, if we mod 73 by 5, then we will get remainder as 3. So now we have to subtract the remainder from 5, and we will get a number which will be 2. And if we add x plus 2, which will become the next multiple of 5, so then it will become 75. And if 75 minus 73 is less than 3, then the uh, grade will be upgraded to the next multiple of 5, or rounded off to the next multiple of 5, so it will be rounded off to 75. Similarly for 67, if we see that 67 uh, mod by 5, the remainder will be 2, and if we subtract 5 minus 3, oh sorry, 5 minus 2, then we will get the difference is 2, which the difference is 3, which is not less than 3, obvious. So we will add simply 67. So that's the same thing which is repeated here. So I think that you got the logic that what we are doing in this problem. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Rounded off to the next multiple of 5, so it will be rounded off to 75. So that's the same thing which is repeated here. So I think that you got the logic that what we are doing in this problem. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.